We are going to Kulaman. Brother Ifrin is driving, and it's a mountainous area. Let's see. To bring the solar panel up on the roof, we use that square tubes, so it will be easy for us to pull the panel up manually. And here is the panels. Panel all shifted up there ready. Now it's time to install the railings, and here it is. Right now the installation is complete. We are just now on the inverter on simulation test. The 8 kilowatt SAJ, a hybrid inverter installation is complete. The batteries are CEF. Each battery is 200 ampere equivalent to 10 kilowatt. So we have two batteries in parallel, total 20 kilowatt capacity. All safety devices are installed. And the PV, two string, each string carries 6 panels, 620 watt. Total capacity of the panel 7.4 kilowatt, plus minus 10%. All wires of the PV strings are in this PV conduit, which have inside aluminium shell, strong and good, perfect. Our load is on this shop, this home, and everything is running perfectly. Our PV breakers, PV SPDs, fire extinguisher, DC breaker, DC breakers too. The RCBO will be installed on the home distribution box, not here. Here is just the production breakers. The weather is cloudy, not bright sun. Harvest is 3 kilowatt, load is 1.8. So it's charging the battery and grid assistance is running on. So everything is good, perfect. That was our installation here in Kulaman. Now it is 11:10 and the peak harvest is 7.45 kilowatt. Very perfect, very amazing harvest. So the installation is complete, ready, and we are back to Isulan. That was our episode for 8 kilowatt SAJ installation here in Kulaman. See you until the next. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
The tire is rusted while we are on the mountain drive, and lucky The van is never get flipped, but it's danger. Badly blasted. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, 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 turn the okay, the wheel is set already. Let's go. Finally, we arrive with the broken tire. See here, I show you that one. Here. We arrived. Brother Ifrin is super tired. R is very tired also. So that was the project.